Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to have an example on how to find range when given a group data set like this. Frequency distribution of the mass of 50 textbooks at a bookstore. Well, we just need to look at this range. How do we find the range? The largest endpoint is 1,100. The lowest end is 300. That means it will be 1,100 minus 300. And that will give me the range of this particular data set, which will be 800. Do also be reminded that we should also include units in this case, okay? Gram. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.